I think there's someone in the castle.
Oh, well, there is, of course. They've sent an assassin.
An assassin?!
Shh!
Pardon me if my assessment's been made in error, but wouldn't that seem like a more significant cause for alarm?
Oh, but fret ye not, my dear boy. I can handle such things. Ne'er fear me, lad, 'tis not that bad. Be assured this is not a first.
You too?
Sweet tidings aplenty, at least once a century. By now I've become rehearsed.
Does everyone do this here?
Fools and follies, outright dummies. Oh, quite adorable they. Well, the gloves are on, which means they're off. If this is their game, they play with lightning, lightning. No, dear boy, it's not a toy, ne'er a sport the wise enjoy. Playing with lightning, lightning, still the game piece of their choosing, in a game that they are losing. Puckery, puckery, whippery, whack, he'll wish he had turned back. Dearie dear, look who's here. Most crafty, most clever is he. Ha! Did they never warn you? Whene'er there is a storm, you should never climb up a tree. And yet here you standest, as tongues of flame command. Tell me, what did they say? Could they look ye in the eye as they sent ye off to fry? 'Tis your fate, your choice, let's play. With lightning, lightning, at your age you should know better. Good lads follow rules to the letter. Playing with lightning, lightning, a perilous pastime. You chose your cliff to climb in error. Fare ye well, good fellow. Forsooth, most far.